Hello, this is Miss Eleniak, and I'm going to be showing you how to log into Quaver and how to find your Quaver classroom. Alright, so this slide that you see right here on the screen, this slide presentation is going to be in Schoology. So just look under Music in the Student Resources tab, and it's going to be the exact same presentation that I'm showing you right now. Okay, so on the next slide, this is going to be the link to the video that you're watching right now, just in case you need it for later. Alright, so first of all, you want to power on your Chromebook. Then you want to do Add Person on the blue login screen. Alright, so press Add Person. Now with the lanyard that you should have for that Add Person, your email is going to be your first dot your last name at cferd.k12.de.us, and then type in your password. Remember to do the first letter capital. Alright, so all of this information should be on your lanyard. Then going into Google, type in quavermusic.com. and it should take you to the website. If not, it would most likely be the first link that pops up in the Google search. So now you should be on the screen that looks something like this. So at the top, you're going to press that little green login button. Now for the login page, do not type anything in these boxes. You want to press Sign In with Google on the bottom here, right next to this little sheep. Okay, so at this point it should take you to either your name or your... Alright, at this point it should take you to your student's name, so your name should be right here, and it should be that @CFerd account. Okay, now a few things might happen depending if you've been onto Quaver recently or not. Okay, so it might take you to Quaver Street like you see on the left side of my screen. If it takes you there, click on the little Teacher Access button right here. Or it might take you to the screen that says yes or no. If it says that, then click no. Okay, so after you've done that, it should take you to a page where you have to enter your access code in, or your teacher code. I'm not going to post it in the video here, but it is going to be in Schoology in the Student Resource Center. Alright, if you have any questions, message me on Schoology or email me. Now, the rest of this video, I'm going to quickly show you what to do here. So you're on the student dashboard. After you log in and you enter in your teacher's code, it'll take you here. Alright, so a few things. If you go to the A+, that's going to be the assignments. Alright, so for the online kids, everything we do is going to be in here. And then for the hybrid kids, we might have assignments every now and then on here. Okay, so my first assignment is just a practice quiz just to show you how it works. Okay, so I'm going to click my assignment, then go down here, press this green launch. Alright, after it's done loading, I'm going to click this green start button. Alright, I'm going to answer the quiz. Once you select your answer, go down here and press this little yellow arrow to go to the next question. Alright, again I'm going to answer. I'm going to click the answer. Down here to go to the next question, or you can go back. Alright, I finished, so now I'm going to press Submit, this orange Submit button. And then OK, I'm done. Okay, so after you submit, I'm going to go ahead and exit because I am done with the assessment and I submitted in all of my answers. So red exit on the bottom. Alright, now it's going to take you here. Alright, depending on what assignment it is, it might show up the grade right here. So for example, I got an 100% for that little practice quiz. Okay, then to exit out of here, you can go back. And if you've been on Quaver before, this screen looks a little bit different. So if you want, you can go to Quaver Street and explore there, and you can also change your avatar. You can go to Quaver Books and learn about different types of music. You can go to Creatives and use any of the apps, the music making apps that Quaver has. So I'm just going to go to Quaver Street. Now, to change your character, all you have to do is press on your avatar, and then you can edit colors and do all that fun stuff. Alright, so that is it for my little Quaver tutorial. If you need any help again, message me on Schoology. That's probably the best and fastest way to ask any questions.